ACCUPLACER Health Professions Medical Terminology. Question 1. For a morning review, 5 tables each seat 13 learners, but 6 seats stay empty. How many learners are seated? Option A, 65. Option B, 12. Option C, 59. Option D, 71. The correct answer is option C, 59. Each table contributes 13 seats, so 5 tables provide 65 seats before subtracting the 6 empty seats. The other options confuse addition with multiplication or add the empty seats instead of removing them. Question 2. After a learner completes 3/5 of a module and later reviews 1/10 less than planned, what fraction represents the completed amount for review set 19? Option A, 7/10. Option B, 2/5. Option C, 1/4. Option D, 1/2. The correct answer is option D, 1/2. The fractions are compared using a common denominator, so 3/5 minus 1/10 equals 1/2. The other choices add instead of subtracting or subtract numerators while ignoring equivalent denominators. Question 3. Calculate the total liters used if each practice station receives 1.2 liters of solution and 8 stations are prepared. Option A, 9.6. Option B, 9.2. Option C, 10.8. Option D, 0.15. The correct answer is option A, 9.6. The amount per station must be multiplied by the number of stations, so 1.2 times 8 equals 9.6 liters. The other choices add the values, divide them, shift the decimal, or use the wrong number of stations. Question 4. A candidate answers 18 out of 27 warm-up questions correctly. What percent is this to the nearest tenth? Option A, 150%. Option B, 66.7%. Option C, 33.3%. Option D, 45%. The correct answer is option B, 66.7%. The percent correct is the correct count divided by the total and multiplied by 100, giving 66.7%. The distractors reverse the fraction, find the percent incorrect, add the counts, or shift the decimal. Question 5. A proportion table uses 1 cup equals 240 ml. How many milliliters equal 4 cups for review set 19? Option A, 244. Option B, 60. Option C, 960. Option D, 400. The correct answer is option C, 960. The conversion is proportional, so 4 cups equals 4 times 240 ml, or 960 ml. The incorrect options add the numbers, divide the conversion factor, use an unrelated 100 ml factor, or add an extra cup. Question 6. How many millimeters are equal to 18 centimeters in a measurement skills check? Option A, 1.8. Option B, 28. Option C, 1,800. Option D, 180. The correct answer is option D, 180. Each centimeter contains 10 millimeters, so 18 centimeters equals 180 millimeters. The distractors divide, add, or use a meter-based factor instead of the centimeter to millimeter factor. Question 7. A line is modeled by y equals 2x plus 7. What x value gives y equals 19? Option A, 6. Option B, 9.5. Option C, 7. Option D, 12. The correct answer is option A, 6. The constant 7 is subtracted from 19, and the result is divided by slope 2, giving x equals 6. The incorrect options divide before subtracting, stop at the numerator, or combine slope and intercept incorrectly. Question 8. A student has $115 for review supplies and buys 11 cards at $10 each. How much money remains? Option A, 105. Option B, 5. Option C, 104. Option D, 110. The correct answer is option B, 5. The total purchase cost is 11 times $10, and subtracting it from $115 leaves $5. The distractors subtract only one value, report the cost instead of the remainder, or leave out part of the purchase. Question 9. Determine the mode of the score list 8, 11, 11, 13, 15, and 11. Option A, the 11.5. Option B, 7. Option C, the 11. Option D, 8. The correct answer is option C, 11. The mode is the value that appears most often, and 11 occurs more frequently than the others. The distractors give the mean, range, median, or a value that appears only once. Question 10. If 14 of 25 checklist items are already mastered, what is the probability a randomly selected item still needs review? Option A, 14/25. Option B, 25/14. Option C, 11/14. Option D, 11/25. The correct answer is option D, 11/25. Items needing review are the total minus mastered items, placed over the total number of items, giving 11/25. The distractors use mastered items, invert the ratio, compare unfinished to mastered, or count only one item. Question 11. A line has a positive slope of 5. How should its values change as x increases by 1 for review set 19? Option A, increases by 5 each step. Option B, decreases by 5 each step. Option C, stays constant. Option D, increases by 6 each step. The correct answer is option A, increases by 5 each step. A positive slope means y rises as x increases, and a slope of 5 means the rise is 5 for each 1 unit increase in x. The other choices describe a negative, 0, incorrect, or nonlinear pattern. Question 12. Using the formula A equals pi r superscript 2, what is the area of a circle with radius 2 for review set 19? Option A, 2 pi. Option B, 4 pi. Option C, 8 pi. Option D, 4. The correct answer is option B, 4 pi. Circle area squares the radius and multiplies by pi, so the area is 4 pi. The other options describe circumference-like expressions, omit the square, double the area, or leave out pi. Question 13. Select the best central idea of this statement. Regular practice works best when learners review errors instead of only counting correct answers. For review set 19. Option A, testing should be avoided whenever possible. Option B, only memorization matters in health programs. Option C, effective preparation depends on studying mistakes, not just totals. Option D, long study sessions always produce the best results. The correct answer is option C. Effective preparation depends on studying mistakes, not just totals. The central idea should summarize the whole statement without adding a new claim or narrowing the focus too much. The other choices either contradict the statement, exaggerate one detail, or introduce an idea that the sentence does not support. Question 14. Infer the most reasonable conclusion from this note. The instructor compared two answer explanations before approving a study resource. For review set 19. Option A. The note proves the student has already mastered every topic. Option B. The note rejects the value of organized review. Option C. The note focuses only on memorizing answer letters. Option D. Accuracy and reasoning matter when choosing prep materials. The correct answer is option D. Accuracy and reasoning matter when choosing prep materials. A reasonable inference must follow from the information given without stretching beyond it. The incorrect options are too absolute, contradict the note, or claim details that are not stated. Question 15. In an academic sentence about health program readiness, what does the word infer most nearly mean for review set 19? Option A. Draw a conclusion from evidence. Option B. Copy a sentence exactly. Option C. Argue without support. Option D. Erase an earlier answer. The correct answer is option A. Draw a conclusion from evidence. The word infer is used in academic contexts to mean draw a conclusion from evidence. The other choices describe unrelated actions, opposite meanings, or features of writing that do not match the term. Question 16. Why would a writer likely uses a brief clinical example to explain a calculation for review set 19? Option A, to distract readers from the main claim. Option B, to connect an abstract skill to a realistic setting. Option C, to remove the need for supporting evidence. Option D, to make the paragraph less organized. The correct answer is option B, to connect an abstract skill to a realistic setting. A rhetorical choice should help the writer develop meaning, guide the reader, or support a claim. The incorrect options describe weak writing moves that would reduce clarity or relevance. Question 17. Combine these two ideas most accurately. Daily review improves retention, and reviewing mistakes helps target weak skills. For review set 19. Option A. Only the first idea matters for test preparation. Option B. The two ideas contradict each other completely. Option C. A strong plan should combine daily practice with error review. Option D. Neither idea can be used in academic preparation. The correct answer is option C. A strong plan should combine daily practice with error review. A synthesis should preserve both ideas and show the relationship between them. The incorrect choices ignore one idea, invent a contradiction, or draw an unsupported extreme conclusion. Question 18. Choose the sentence with correct subject-verb agreement for review set 19. Option A. Neither the advisor nor the students is available afternoon. Option B. Neither the advisor nor the students be available afternoon. Option C. Neither the advisor nor the students was available afternoon. Option D. Neither the advisor nor the students are available afternoon. The correct answer is option D. Neither the advisor nor the students are available afternoon. The verb must agree with the true subject, not with a nearby prepositional phrase or distracting noun. The incorrect choices use a verb form that does not match the subject or create an incomplete sentence. Question 19. Select the sentence with the clearest punctuation for review set 19. Option A. The applicant reviewed fractions, decimals, and percentages before the exam. Option B. The applicant reviewed fractions, decimals, and percentages before the exam. Option C. The applicant reviewed fractions, decimals, and percentages before the exam. Option D. The applicant reviewed fractions, decimals, and percentages before the exam. The correct answer is option A. The applicant reviewed fractions, decimals, and percentages before the exam. Correct punctuation shows how ideas are connected and prevents sentence confusion. The incorrect choices omit needed commas, misuse punctuation between clauses, or place punctuation where it interrupts the sentence. Question 20. Pick the sentence that uses Standard English correctly for review set 19. Option A. Less errors appeared after the learner reviewed the explanations. Option B. Fewer errors appeared after the learner reviewed the explanations. Option C. Fewer error appeared after the learner reviewed the explanations. Option D. Less error appeared after the learner reviewed the explanations. The correct answer is option B. Fewer errors appeared after the learner reviewed the explanations. Standard usage requires correct pronoun case, verb form, and count word agreement. The incorrect choices use non-standard pronouns, mismatched verbs, or less/fewer incorrectly. Question 21. Choose the best transition for the blank. The paragraph explains the scoring range first. Blank, it describes how students can use score bands for planning. For review set 19, option A. Nevertheless. Option B. In contrast. Option C. Next. Option D. Despite this. The correct answer is option C. Next. The transition must match the logical relationship between the ideas, such as contrast, sequence, or cause and effect. The other choices signal relationships that do not fit the sentence. Question 22. Choose the most concise revision of this sentence. The instructor made a recommendation that students should review the explanations. For review set 19. Option A. The instructor made a recommendation review of explanations. Option B. Students were recommended by the instructor in a reviewing way. Option C. The explanations, by recommendation, were reviewed by students. Option D. The instructor recommended that students review the explanations. The correct answer is option D. The instructor recommended that students review the explanations. A concise revision removes unnecessary words while preserving the original meaning. The incorrect choices are awkward, wordy, grammatically flawed, or less clear than the original. Question 23. Using common medical word parts, what does hyperglycemia most likely mean for review set 19? Option A, high blood sugar. Option B, low blood pressure. Option C, inflammation of a joint. Option D, slow heart rate. The correct answer is option A, high blood sugar. The word parts in hyperglycemia point to high blood sugar. The other choices use different roots, prefixes, or suffix meanings and do not match the term. Question 24. Select the structure that carries impulses away from a neuron cell body for review set 19. Option A, alveolus. Option B, axon. Option C, tendon. Option D, capillary. The correct answer is option B, axon. An axon carries nerve impulses away from the neuron cell body. Alveoli are air sacs, tendons connect muscle to bone, and capillaries are tiny blood vessels. Question 25. In a controlled experiment, why is a control group useful for review set 19? Option A. It guarantees the hypothesis is true. Option B. It removes the need for measurements. Option C. It provides a comparison for the experimental group. Option D. It changes every variable at once. The correct answer is option C. It provides a comparison for the experimental group. A control group helps show whether the tested variable made a difference. It does not prove the hypothesis automatically, replace data collection, or change multiple variables.